Guys, welcome back to my channel again. Today I have come up with another video. This video I'll be showing you how to change your router name and the password. So let's see how we change our router name and password on Netgear. Well guys, if you want to change your password or Wi-Fi name, first we have to go to the page on that router you are using. So I'm using a Netgear. So first I'll go to Netgear web page. Like this is the website. Click on. When you go there, it will ask please sign in. It will ask you to log in. So for the login, Netgear, it's mainly the username is always admin, right, admin, and password is password. Okay, and then you click. See, I logged into my router. Now I have the access to my router. Now I want to change the password or the name of the router according to me as I want. So for that, you will see here lots of options. So I'm not going all of them. I'm just going to wireless. So you just click wireless over here, and then you'll see over here it will say name or the SSID. It's here. So you can change the name of this password, the router name, whatever you want. According to your name you can write it. Okay, so there's the password. That's the name of my router I want to put. And then if you want to change your password, it's over here. Okay, so whatever password you want to change, you can just write it over here. Okay, so like I want to put my password is like this. So that's the password I have written, and this is the name of my router name I have written. And then simply what you have to do, apply. So after you say apply, it will take a while. It will say that updating your settings. So when the update is done, you will see your username and password is already changed. So guys, that's how mainly easy it is to change your Wi-Fi name and the password.